1, 2, 3, ho!
Good morning, apartment. Hey, how's it going? Hi, good morning. Good morning.
Hello? Yeah, I'm on the target. Yes, I'm getting ready.
They're doing it down in that zone. Down that funky soul. They're doing it by the beach. They're driving that funky soul. New York, get yourself together and drive your funky soul. Let your body pop and let your feeling flow.
Daydream, I fell asleep amid the flowers for a couple of hours on a beautiful day. Daydream, I dream of you amid the flowers for a couple of hours. Such a beautiful day.
Oh, what happened? Where am I? Oh, wow. What is... Oh, wow. Oh. Hey! You! Who are you? Who are you? No, who are you? You! No, who are you? You! No, who are you? You! Okay, my name's Emmet. And I have no idea where we are. Okay. My name's Rex. And where are we? I just told you, I have no idea. That's problematic. You. Your name's Babel, right? Babel? What? No, I said Emmet. Jake? Emmet. Like, never mind. We need to find a way out of here. An exit? Oh, there we go. It's a door. And a door is an exit. I'm a genius. I'm not sure that... It's perfect. All right, I'll wait here, and you go in. Wait, no! I'm not stepping into that thing. Okay, we'll do this like real men. Rock, paper, scissors. All right. 1, 2, 3. Rock! Rock beats paper. Hey, I don't think that's how it works. Come on, your turn. I'm waiting right here. All right. Here goes. What is... Oh, wow. Oops. Hey, what? Wait, how did you get here? Wow. And what is that? I don't know. It looks like some kind of magic stick. Oh. No? Did you do that? I don't know. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, let's go! Ooh, hello. Oh, wow, that was incredible. This stick, it's really magical. Can I try it? Are you sure? Yes.
Hi, my name is... I am Steve.
Rex. Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm sorry, Emmet. You wouldn't understand.
I can't move.
But I have to do this.
What's happening? Rex! Rex, no!
Emmet!
Explain to me what's going on!
I'm sorry, Emmet.
What is going on here?
Hey, excuse me, man, but that stick is mine, so give it back.
Finally, after all these years, I found it. Thank you, but I don't need you anymore.
Excuse me, but could you explain what's going on and who?
Listen to me. That stick belongs to me.
Not anymore. Eliminate him.
There is a hill at the bottom of the valley where all the poor souls go when they die. And if you listen real close, you can hear them like a ghost saying you're never gonna make it out alive. There is a town at the bottom of that hill. They got a secret that they keep like a slave. They got a black magic preacher. You do well to let them teach you. You'll be headed up that hill to grave. And it is well.
Oh, boring. See anything? No. No.
Pockets full of money that you steal from the poor, and on your way down the hill, you hear me ring that bell, and I said, hell's coming with me.
Where am I? What's going on here? Rex? Is that you?
Now I will end this once and for all.
Rex, are you okay? What are you talking about? Listen, we can talk this through.
You are not the hero. You are not the chosen one. You're just a fool.
I thought we were friends. What's happening to you, man?
Now the story ends.
No. Maybe I'm not a hero. Not the chosen one. Not even Tony Stark. But no one tells me who I'm supposed to be. I write my own story.
You don't understand. You have no idea what you're doing. What's coming for you.
Listen to me. I don't know what's happening to me, to us, but you made a choice. I can't let you kill me or anyone else. Rex. Friend.
I am not Rex.
Sorry, Rex.
And now, what happens next?
That you chose.